The third misconception is that adultery is a ground for divorce for all types of marriages in Ghana. This is fallacious. Yes, adultery is a ground for dissolution under the ordinance. And this is provided for under Section 2.1 of the Matrimonial Councils Act 1971, Act 367. But since customary law is potentially polygamous, pretty soon we'll be looking at that. Extramarital relationship of a man does not constitute adultery as a ground for divorce. And this, the lawyers watching me may want to look at the case of Gifty Owusu and Sam versus Collins Dazi, which was decided in 2017.